Hello, friends. This is Raj Misa, and I'm going to walk you through video marketing tips. In fact, if you need any help in sales and marketing, or if you're a student searching for a job, get in touch with me. I'll try and help you in the best of my possibilities. So, in this video, we'll talk about the tips related to video marketing. So, always you need to tell a story. So, instead of being salesy, an effective video always tells a story. So, if you're not telling stories, you'll not be able to sell yourself in the best possible ways. So make sure the introduction stands out. You have to create a stimulating title, work on the titles, work on the questions, because the art of questioning, the art of asking the right questions is a talent which you get through Google. So just Google, ask the right set of questions, and work only on those titles because they are part of the SEO. Those keywords are very powerful. So always focus on your mission and less on the product, and don't be boring at all. So whatever the vision, whatever the mission you have, whatever the vision you have, work on it, stick to it. And as a video marketing consultant, I would love everybody to leverage video marketing, to leverage their smartphone, to leverage the technology. So always make it mobile friendly. Try and do lots of vertical videos. If you go to my IGTV, Instagram TV, you'll find lots of those vertical videos. So think about SEO in terms of video optimization. That will also help you because those keywords, the meta tags which you use, or the kind of words which you use in the description matters a lot. So I understand why YouTube should be your key part of your corporate social media strategy. So if you're somebody who is into B2B business, I understand why you need to generate B2B leads and what it takes to generate B2B leads. So video should be one of your top content marketing tactics. So many people speak to me saying, Raj, I had already spent on Google AdWords. I had spent my entire budget on Facebook sponsored ads. So people already are spending. If you have more than 1 lakh per month as a marketing budget, I strongly suggest them to go ahead. But again, organic way, you can reach lots of people. It all depends upon the engagement which you create. Unless you create that dialogue, unless you come up with that conversation, you'll not be able to convert that prospective lead into a customer. So I can take you through all the steps to define and implement successful content strategies, be it on YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn. uh, this also includes how to create successful videos, devise on overall channel strategy. You can promote your videos through both paid and non-media avenues on YouTube, and how to measure your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. So the strategy is, before making corporate videos, create a content plan to ensure that your content both meets your brand goals and your intended audience. In fact, I create my videos for the entire week. I always work 5 days ahead. So if you're seeing something now, this is already been done 5 days in the past. So uh, on any given weekend or on any given day, the content which I'm preparing for today is something which is like 5 days ahead of what I'm planning. So in case if it's an event, always it's 3 months or 6 months before, and that's how it works in the online marketing world. So content compelling videos can bring in new viewers, introduce them to the rest of your content, and build a loyal fan. So if you want to build your loyal fan base, work on the content. If you need a copy of this, let me know, I'll send you. Just ping me in inbox or direct message me, and map out your overall channel strategy. Programming is, you have to work on your strategies. Unless you work on goals, you can't work on achieving the set of goals which you list out. So video optimization, a successful optimization strategy will help you take full benefits of the platform's functionalities and avoid execution mistakes. It's all about how prepared you are, how well prepared you are when you run a campaign. So content. Compelling videos can bring in new viewers, introduce them to the rest of your content, and building a loyal fan base. But the key to success on YouTube is not only to produce relevant videos, but also to make sure your target audience sees them. And that's when the marketing and advertisement matters a lot. People say they don't have advertising budget or they don't have the marketing budget to advertise whatever they're publishing, but it matters. You can't run a vehicle without a fuel. So the same way, so try and be social. People are drawn to online video and web series since they can interact with the creators in a way that they cannot on television. So on a television, interacting or getting in touch with people is tough, but on TV shows, that's how the mainstream video or the TV channels have become so famous. There are like thousands of them now. But measurement metrics are key both for defining success and optimizing towards it. You need to get into the video analytics and get in touch with me on the number displayed 98456799620, or go to my link tree, ping me, and I'll wait to see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. This is Raj Misa, your video marketing coach. Bye bye.